In this session, we are going to learn how we can take the failure screenshot in Cypress automatically. So for that purpose, you can say that in Cypress, whenever you are running your Cypress specification files using the Cypress run command or in continuous integration, Cypress automatically takes the screenshot whenever a test case fails here. Okay, so before that, let me give the example. I have this user registration page and I am writing a test case where I will try to enter the data in first name, middle name, last name, and age fields, and will try to fail few test cases. And first of all, I will run using the Cypress UI. Okay. So this is my code here. You can say that. And here I've written the code, like you can see that in the before each, you can say that I'm just launching my user registration page here. And then I have written the test case like validate first name. Here I'm validating, I have entered the RAM here and validating with the Rama. So definitely I'm trying to fail it. That's why the enter text is RAM, but I'm matching with the Rama here. Okay, same thing you can say that in the middle name I have entered the Gopal and here I'm validating with the Gopal, so it will pass here. And now third is that in the last name field I have entered the Verma, but I'm checking and my expectation is Sarma. So actually, in short, you can say in this test case I'm trying to fail my first name and last name test cases. Okay, so first of all I will run it with the help of, you can say that with the help of my Cypress UI and see that it takes the screenshot or not. So for that purpose, currently my screenshot folder is blank, and now we can check it here also. Like my screenshot folder is blank here. Okay. So now let me first of all run it. So for that purpose, let me simply do one thing. My automation is running, so I need to simply save it. Control S. I have saved it, and my automation is running. And we can check it here. Yes, it is running. It entered the RAM here and then enter. Now you can see it fails here. So we can see here my validate first name test cases assertion is failed here because it is saying that here value Rama, but the value was Ram here. My, you can say my validate middle name is passed here and my validate last name is, you can say, failed here. Okay, because I have given the, you can say, wrong validation, you can say, so that I can intentionally fail it. Here you can see the reason to have value Sarma, but value was, you can say, Verma here. Okay, so now you can see that just go and check in my automation screenshot folder. Any screenshot is created? No, because by default screenshots are not created. Okay, so now I told you, if you want to create the screenshot, one option is that you can run the your Cypress specification file using the Cypress run command. So what is the command for that? Simply you can see that npx Cypress run, and by giving this attribute hyphen spec, you give the path of your specification file. Like my user registration is available in the Cypress E2E and this one. So you can see here this one. In the E2E, we have this user registration suite here. So I'm running this one. So now I will do one thing. If I want to run it on, you can say from the that command. So let me close it. Okay, let me close it, and I'm going to stop it here from here also. Or let me do one thing. Let me close this part here. Okay, now I will do one thing. I've closed my Cypress UI, and now I will, you can say, try to run it using my, you can say, my terminal using that command. So let me first of all clear the terminal, and then I'm going to run that command that I told you, this one, npx Cypress run, and specification. I'm giving the this path file, path of this file, right? And let me run it. So currently it is going to run it, and we can see that it is going to run in the, you can say, whenever you run it using this one, it actually runs in a, you can say, headless mode, and by default it choose the browser that is Electron. You can see here. Let me show you that it has selected the Electron 118 headless mode. Okay, that is the advantage. Now you can say it start running the my scenarios. So first valid first name, it is you can say failed, like I told you, and validated middle name is passed and valid last name is failed. Okay, now we can see that it has, you can say, created this one. If you go down and we'll check the, you can say, report here, so you can say that three tests are there, right? And one is passed and two are fails, and you will see the screenshot count, that is two. It means now you can say that I have not written any code, but still you can say that in my automation it is taking the screenshot. You can check it here again. You can check it here again, that I have used the, you can say, this before each to launch the my application, my HTML page URL, and then I'm validating only. I've not written any single code to take the screenshot. But because we are running it using the command prompt and using that Cypress run command, so that's why taking the screenshot. Okay. If you want to check, you can see here screen under screenshot. It created this folder with the name of this specification file. This one. Okay. So now let me show you from the folder structure that was blank. Now you can see that under screenshots, it created this user registration folder, and now it has created two screenshot. Here, one more thing I want to tell you, that whenever it creates automatically the screenshots of the test fields, it actually include field text in the name, like because in the bracket field. So you can easily find out that these screenshots are generated due to the failure of the test case. If you want to open it, let me show you. You can say that this is the first screenshot, okay, and now this is the second screenshot for that purpose, last name, okay, and yeah. So this is you can say all about that how you can take the screenshot. Now I want to tell you one more thing. Suppose take the example, due to some reason you want to turn off this feature. If you want to turn off this feature like automatic screenshot capture, you want to turn off this feature while running your automation using a command prompt, or you can see using Cypress. And also in that case, you have to include this you can say screenshot on failure. This property you have to make it false. You can do it anywhere. You can do it you can see in your Cypress screenshot default setting here. So I will create a separate video that how you can make some default settings on your all screenshot in your Cypress, that is going to apply in your whole all the specification file. Okay, but in this session I'm going to tell you that how you can off it. So for that purpose you have to write this code. So you have to go to your, you can say, in your command.js file where usually we write this code, and here we are going to write that code cypress.screenshot default, and in this you have to write a screenshot run on failure code false. Okay, now let me save it, and you will see that I'm going to run it again. When I am going to run it again, this time you will see that because I put this, you can say, screenshot failure code false. So if I try to run it in the, you can say, Cypress run command using Cypress run, or if you are going to run it using the continuous integration, both cases, this screenshot will not be taken. So I can show you this thing. So let me, for that purpose, let me first of all clear my terminal. I can clear the terminal using the command as well. I can clear it from here also. So let me clear the terminal. And again, I'm going to run the same file here. And you can say that it this time it will also do the it will execute every test case, but it will not take the screenshot. And you will see that information in the, you can say, logs here. So again, same thing is there. It has launched this one, and because I'm running from the command prompt, so it is showing the Electron 118 headless mode. Now, yeah, my first test case, first name is failed, second is pass, and now it is going to execute, and that is failed. But here you can say that total tests are 3, passing 1, that is okay, failing are 2. But you will see the number of screenshot here, that is 0. It means whenever you want to stop it, you have to simply put this property in your command.js and it will stop. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you that how you can take the screenshot automatically using your, you can see using your, in your Cypress. Okay. So now if still you have any doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment of this video. If you like the video, you can click on the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.